Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 1989, create target array in the given order in JavaScript. It's considered an easy problem. This is give two arrays of integers, nums, and index. Your task is to create a target array under the following rules. Initially, target array is empty. From left to right, read nums at I and index at I. Insert at index I the value of nums at I in the target array. Repeat the previous step until there are no elements to read in nums and index. Return the target array. It is guaranteed that the insertion operations will be valid. Alright, so what does this mean, right? So basically what we're going to do is we're going to loop through these arrays, and they're all going to be the same length. So we'll just look at index. So we loop through index, we get to 0. So we put into our target array 0 at index 0, right? Because this is the value, this is the index, right? So it gets the next index, which is 1, so we'll put the value 1 into index 1. We get to 2, so we put 2 at index 2 in the target array. I should be doing it this way. We get to 3, so we put 3 in index 2 in the target array, and then we put 4 into index 1 in the target array. So that's our result. Pretty simple one. We basically can just use a for loop and the splice method, and I'll show you that in a second here. This is going to be a piece of cake. Alright, use our variables. Here's our function. And let's log to the console. So let's create an array to return. We're just going to call it result. And eventually we'll return that. Now we need a for loop. Set let I equals 0 if I is less than, either one is fine, but we use nums dot length I plus plus, and then we can simply use the splice method, right, on result. And here we see result dot splice. And this is going to take 3 parameters, right? The first one is going to show you at what index you're going to put something into, right? So index at I, right? Because we're putting it in the index at I. The second parameter is how many elements you're replacing in result. We're replacing none. And then the last one is what you're adding to it. So at I. There you go. Well, we got it. Let's go ahead and grab our code, copy it, back over onto Leetcode, format it, and submit it. Piece of cake. Alright, hopefully you enjoyed this and found it helpful. If you did, if you could give it a like, that would be amazing. That would help my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.